Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge Reading Passage, Museum of Fine Art and their public. First 27 to 30 questions are to complete the summary by using the words from the given list. एक बात का ध्यान रखिए, अगर आपको वर्ड लिस्ट दी जाती है तो जो वर्ड आप पैसेज में ढूंढोगे वो इन वर्ड्स का सिनोनिम्स हो सकते हैं. So be careful while selecting the words. Let's start. This summary is about the value attached to original works of art. First question is, people go to art museums because they accept the value of seeing an original work of art. But they do not go to museums to read original manuscripts of novels, perhaps because the availability of novels has depended on dash for so long. लोग आर्ट म्यूजियम्स में इसीलिए जाते हैं क्योंकि ओरिजिनल वर्क्स ऑफ आर्ट की देखने की कीमत समझते हैं, पर वो नोवेल्स की ओरिजिनल मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट्स को पढ़ने म्यूजियम्स में नहीं जाते क्योंकि नोवेल्स की अवेलेबिलिटी इस चीज़ पे डिपेंड करती है. Let's see in the paragraph, if Mona Lisa was a famous novel, few people would bother to go to a museum to read the writer's actual manuscript rather than printed reproduction. This might be explained by the fact that the novel has evolved precisely because of technological developments that made it possible to print out huge numbers of texts. So its synonym is mass production. Next question is, and also because with novels, the dash are the most important things. यहाँ पे आप एक और छोटा सा हिंट ले सकते हैं. फिल अप से पहले आ का यूज है, सो इट्स क्लियर कि आने वाला वर्ड प्लूरल नाउन होगा. Let's see in the paragraph. In addition, it could be argued that the practice of interpreting or reading each medium follows different conventions. With novels, the reader attends mainly to the meaning of words rather than the way they are printed on the page. So its answer is ideas. Next question is, however, in historical times artists such as Leonardo were happy to instruct dash to produce copies of their work. हिस्टोरिकल टाइम्स में लियोनार्डो जैसे आर्टिस्ट अपने वर्क की कॉपी को प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए इनको इंस्ट्रक्ट करते थे. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ. इन द 16th century, artists seemed perfectly content to assign the reproduction of their workshop apprentices as regular bread and butter. So the synonym of apprentices is assistants. Next question is, these days new methods of reproduction allow excellent replication of surface relief features as well as color and dash. न्यू मेथड्स ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन से हमें एक्सेलेंट सरफेस मिलता है और बेटर कलर और ये मिलता है. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ. एंड टुडे द टास्क ऑफ रिप्रोड्यूसिंग पिक्चर्स इज इनकम्पेरेबल मोर सिंपल एंड रिलायबल विद reprographic techniques that allow the production of high quality prints made exactly to the original scale with faithful color values. So synonym of original scale is size. Next question is, it is regrettable that museums still promoted the superiority of original works of art, since this may not be in the interests of the dash. ये दुख की बात है कि म्यूजियम्स अभी भी आर्ट के ओरिजिनल वर्क्स को प्रमोट करता है, बट ये इनके इंटरेस्ट में नहीं होता. Let's see in the paragraph, but despite an implicit recognition that the spread of good reproduction can be culturally valuable, museums continue to promote the special status of original work. Unfortunately, this seems to place severe limitations on the kind of experience offered to visitors. So the synonym of visitors is public. Next 32 to 35 questions are to choose the correct answer from multiple options. First question is, the writer mentions London's National Gallery to illustrate. Its answer is option C. The negative effect a museum can have on visitors' opinions of themselves. राइटर लंदन नेशनल गैलरी ये बताने के लिए मेंशन करता है कि म्यूजियम्स का विजिटर्स के अपने बारे में खुद के ओपिनियन पे नेगेटिव इफेक्ट होता है. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ. इन एडिशन, अ मेजर कलेक्शन लाइक दैट ऑफ लंदन्स नेशनल गैलरी इज हाउस्ड इन न्यूमरस रूम्स, ईच विद डजन्स ऑफ वर्क्स, any one of which is likely to be worth more than all the average visitor possesses. In a society that judges the personal status of the individual so much by their material worth, it is therefore difficult not to be impressed by one's own relative worthlessness in such an environment. Next question is, the writer says that today, viewer may be unwilling to criticize a work because its answer is option D. They feel their personal reaction is of no significance. आज के व्यूअर वर्क को क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करना चाहते क्योंकि उन्हें लगता है कि उनका अपना व्यू कोई मायने नहीं रखता है. Let's see in the paragraph. Evidently, nothing the viewer thinks about the work is going to alter that value, and so today's viewer is deterred from trying to extend that spontaneous, immediate, self-reliant kind of reading which would originally have met the work. Next question is, according to the writer, the displacement effect on the visitor is caused by, its answer is option A. The variety of works on display and the way they are arranged. डिस्प्लेसमेंट इफेक्ट विजिटर्स पे इसलिए होता है, डिस्प्ले पर बहुत सारा वर्क होता है और जिस तरह से वो अरेंज किया होता है. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ. दिस डिस्प्लेसमेंट इफेक्ट इज फर्दर हाइटेंड बाय द sheer volume of exhibits. In the case of a major collection, there are probably more works on display than we could realistically view in weeks or even months. Next question is, the writer says that unlike other forms of art, a painting does not, its answer is option D. Have a specific beginning or end. पेंटिंग बाकी आर्ट्स की तरह नहीं होती क्योंकि इसमें कोई शुरुआत और अंत नहीं होता. It's see in the paragraph. A fundamental difference between paintings and other art forms is that there is no prescribed time over which a painting is viewed. Next 36 to 40 questions are yes, no and not given. First question is not given. Next to that is, the approach of art historians conflicts with that of art museums. आर्ट हिस्टोरियंस की अप्रोच आर्ट म्यूजियम्स के साथ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट करती है. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ. Consequently, the dominant critical approach becomes that of the art historians, a specialized academic approach devoted to discovering the meaning of art within the cultural context of its time. This is perfect harmony with the museum's function. ये म्यूजियम्स फंक्शन के साथ हार्मनी में है, so conflict नहीं है. Therefore, its answer is no. Next question is, people should be encouraged to give their opinions openly on works of art. लोगों को आर्ट वर्क पे अपने खुले विचार देने के लिए encourage किया जाना चाहिए. Let's see in the paragraph. The display of art museums serve as a warning of what critical practices can emerge when spontaneous criticism is suppressed. The museum public, like any other audience, experience art more rewardingly when given the confidence to express their views. जब वो अपना व्यू देते हैं तो उन्हें आर्ट रिवॉर्डिंग फील होता है, so its answer is yes. Next question is not given. Next to that is, in the future, those with power are likely to encourage more people to enjoy art. फ्यूचर में पावरफुल लोग ज़्यादा लोगों को आर्ट एंजॉय करने के लिए encourage कर पाएंगे. Let's see in the paragraph. If appropriate works of fine art could be rendered permanently accessible to the public by means of high-fidelity reproduction, as literature and music already are, the public may feel somewhat less in awe of them. इसका मतलब अगर आर्ट को भी लिटरेचर एंड म्यूजिक की तरह बड़े तौर पर प्रोड्यूस किया जाए तो पब्लिक को इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. So its answer is no. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.